Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, it's pretty heavy, Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out now. And they got a lot of new shipping offers, so definitely take advantage of that. Hopefully everyone had a good holiday. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. We're in July now. Oh boy. Don't forget, Santa Claus is coming. Other goodies. Here we go. This is a flatware set. Let me just take me home. Alright. Flatware set. Sure, where's this coming from? Oh, Berglander. 40-piece shining gold. Got some bling bling add to your kitchen. Definitely can't go wrong with forks and knives and stuff like that. Soup spoons. Salad forks. Here we go. Good amount, 40 of them. It's like titanium gold, kind of looks like. You got the forks. And definitely wash these. I always wash my stuff when I get them. And that has a nice glow to it. Stainless steel. Definitely do some damage. Got the fangs right there. So you get this, all that. Bag of chips. Here comes a spoon. Well, one of the spoons at least. I think you get the soup spoon and the normal spoon. Like dessert spoon and stuff like that. This is probably the soup. Look at that shine though. She is shiny. And just give it a good cycle through the dishwasher. And it'll be good to go. I'm not going to take them all out because it's the same. I just want to show you the different ones. What they look like. Be a short video today for you guys. I had a few days off, so always good to recharge and catch up on some sleep. So that's what I did. But here we go. And do two more that we have to do. Yeah, these are nice and shiny. This, like I said, make sure you just run it through the dishwasher and then it'll be good to go. Unless you're in an emergency and you had to have them right away, I would just rinse them through the sink, hot water and all that a few times, it'll be good to go. But if you want to wait a few hours, throw them in the dishwasher. Here's a spoon, the soup spoon, dessert spoon, whatever kind of spoon, cereal spoon. Nice shiny gold. Alright, alright. Now we're talking. Get some bling bling in the kitchen. You get the nice, I like the shine to them, so definitely a nice piece set right here. Especially the 40 of them, that's a good deal. Oh yeah, got that gold bling. That. And then there's a nice. I think we already got big spoons. Big spoon. So I get these ready for Instagram. And oh, got the knife. And we got these spoons right here. Alright guys, check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good day. One quick shot. There you go.